Now hold it and get him. Hold it and get him. That's why you're playing with the camera. It's only going to stay that way. Because that's how we started it. No, keep doing it. You're dumb because they don't even know you're looking at them. I'm on the chair over here with that chin, boy. Just gotta get that young head in the way. Get the fuck out of here. You're his head, right?
Look at the freaking his chin.
He has no chin.
He really ain't got no chin though.
No chin.
Oh my goodness, that was a close-up.
It was, right?
That was a close-up. No chin at all.
No, really.
Stop trying to zoom into my face.
I'm sorry.
Why would you turn it around like that? Now turn it again. And again. And again. You're dumb. I want to know where Daraga at.
Daraga? Where is this Daraga? Your blind ass caught it on camera. Caught it on Ken's camera.
That's a close-up, for real.
Don't get no closer than that.